Okay, so the magnitude of the load on the beam is 10 kilonewton per meter. The point B is hinge support and point A is the roller support. And we need to determine the support reaction at A and B. Here, RA is the support reaction at point A. RBY and RBX is the support reaction at point B. Now applying equilibrium equation to calculate the support reaction, we have summation Fx equal to 0 and Rbx equal to 0, and we have summation Fy equal to 0, and we have Ra plus Rby equal to 10 times 3 plus 1 over 2 times 10 times 3, and from here we get Ra plus Rby